well, if you are new here, the name is Nanama Blankson. I also go by the name Ama Doricles, and you are most definitely welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for doing it once again. Thank you for coming back. I'm super excited. Guess what? I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the beach. Right? So guys, I just ordered for my ride and my driver is almost here. So cool over here, and it's like I don't want to go back, but I have to go back. I ordered both and I think I'm getting ready and I'm leaving. Oh, it was nice to be here. Okay, so my ride came and I'm headed to the car right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me. This is very cool.